friends, welcome to my channel Swatches and You. This is Sunanda here. I hope all are doing in good health. Today I'm going to talk about the much annoying dark spots. Yes, now many dark spots can be eliminated or lightened to give you a beautiful and a glowing skin. Now dark spots can be on your skin due to the excess secretion of melanin, and some of the factors which add on to this is overexposure to sun, hormonal imbalance, vitamin deficiency, lots of stress, and also lack of sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you two effective and a simple way to eliminate or lighten your dark spots from your skin. So let's get started.
Now for the first remedy, I'm going to just use the lemon juice. Now extract the lemon juice into a bowl, dip the cotton in it, and then dab this on your dark spots. Now you can apply the lemon juice wherever the dark spots are. Maybe it's on your face or maybe it's on your neck. Now slightly give a circular motion to it. Now you can do this for about 2 minutes every day or alternative days. For the next remedy, I'm going to use the potato slice. Slice up the potatoes, cleanse your face, and then you can massage this on your skin around the dark spots. You can do this regularly or alternatively or in the intervals where you get the time. Now as you know, potato has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory and anti-bleaching properties. Wait for about 5 minutes and then you can cleanse it off.
So friends, I hope you like this effective way to treat the dark spots in your home. Do let me know how you feel this and do comment on your comment section, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and press on the like button. Until then, keep up the good health. See you.